Keep getting distracted. Can't beat the view. So today, Gary and I are back out camping, and we're in a familiar spot with a familiar view. I know it doesn't come out real well on this camera, but to the eyeballs, it's awesome. So we are back in a spot that I've been in many a time. Been here in the van, the Jeep, the Bronco, but this is the first time with the trailer. And I've got some set up. As you can see, I've got the DIY awning set up. And of course, I've got the King. Had to get it all set up for him. But I keep getting distracted by the Sedona view. So this is where we're going to be spending our night. And once I get completely set up, I will come back. I actually have to eat a little lunch too. I got a really late start. But yeah, you just can't beat the view. Not at all. On the way in here, I saw another camp spot that was pretty good that has a partial view, but I wanted to come up here and see if I could get this spot. And of course, when we first got here, there was not a breath of wind. I set up the tarp and all of a sudden there's wind. So anyway, I'm going to have a little lunch, relax, set up the tent, and then we'll check back. But like I said, I keep getting distracted. Can't beat the view. Okay, so we are set up. Here's a look at it with the view in the background. There's the boss relaxing. And of course, I got my little DIY awning set up. Of course, I am not parked correctly to block the sun. Unfortunately, this big old fire pit is right where we need to be sitting right now. And I just tripped and almost fell on my face. That would have been good content, huh? So I got the tent set up. Got a new trash can situation here. It's one of these that breaks down, collapses flat. We'll see how that goes. I have a rock down at the bottom so it doesn't go flying away. Got my kitchen set up. Got the tent ready to go. And I'm trying something new. I bought these collapsible steps. I don't know how well you can see them here. Let me get out of the way. And I had to use one of our stools here. They didn't quite make it all the way to the ground. But I'm hoping that that's going to help Gary get up there so I don't have to keep carrying him. And maybe might help me get in and out too, rather than using the ladder on the other side. We'll have to figure that one out. But this little rail here is actually what came with the tent to attach to your car. And I used, oh gosh, I can't think of what that's called now. Anyway, you know what it is. And so I just pulled that out, bolted this on. These little handles here, whatever you want to call them, they just slide in. It's supposed to go on an SUV or something. Let's see if you can see it a little better. Anyway, we're going to give that a try. So we are set up. I've taken my sweet time doing it. It is now 4:30. Clouds have been rolling by, putting some interesting shadows on the mountains and the ground. Pretty cool. But just been chilling, looking at the view. Definitely can't get sick of the view. I took a little video with my phone earlier. So if it looks better, I will put it in right now. But hopefully in the morning, about over in that direction, we might see some balloons. I think the first time I was here with the van 2 years ago, saw some balloons. We used to fly drones over that direction, kind of at the base of those hills in the distance. And the balloons would come from Sedona and land over by where we would fly our drones. That was pretty cool. Anyway, we are going to be relaxing and just enjoying. Right now there is not a breath of wind. For a bit there it blew pretty good. But we are just going to relax and enjoy the view. It's absolutely beautiful out here. So we will check back when it's dinner time. Well, I decided to give Gary dinner with a view. He's not paying attention to the view, but he's got one. All right, so tonight's dinner is going to be simple. You've seen this before. The cauliflower veggie rice. You just put a bunch of the butter-like substance in there. Stuff is supposed to be frozen. I had it in the fridge. It's fine. So I'm going to break that up. Break it up. And I cooked up some chicken tenders this morning. Sliced them up. They have some seasoning on it. And this is dinner. Nothing new, nothing hard. All right, so I'm going to let this all warm up. And we will be back. Well, just like that. It's all warmed up, ready to go. Took a little over, I'd say 5 minutes. That's my kind of camp cooking. Quick and easy. Prep at home, warm it up, and there you go. Let me give it a little bit of a try. Making a mess. That is good. So, I'm going to eat right out of this pan. And that's it. Well, good morning. It was an interesting night, to say the least, and an absolutely beautiful morning. Unfortunately, the balloons are up, but they're directly into the sun, so you're not going to be able to see them. But it is currently 6:30 in the morning, and I have a time lapse going with my phone, and this is the first one I've done with this phone. So it's going to be interesting. If it turned out, you'll see a bit of it. If it didn't, well, I guess you didn't miss much. But this is what you'd be seeing, just a lot faster. Wanted to get the sun on the mountains, but you're going to be getting a bunch of shadows. So, yeah, Gary woke me up at about 3:40 this morning. I don't know if I mentioned it, but he had been having stomach problems the last couple of nights. And so that made for an interesting time, and I've been up ever since. Couldn't go back to sleep. And these steps worked out perfectly. You can see even my footprints are on it. He went up it with no problem. When I said go to bed, he was like, hell yeah. And he was up there. And then going down in the morning, he was fine. He's still in there snoring away. He's not ready to get up yet. He is the king after all. But I think the moment I start making him breakfast, he'll be ready to go. So anyway, I just wanted to say good morning, show you a view like there is no other. But it's just a bunch of morning haze, but it is still beautiful. So I'm going to finish putting things away, make him some breakfast, make myself some breakfast, and we'll be back. All right, so here we are, end of another camp. Got everything buttoned up. Got the sun shining on the red rocks of Sedona over there. Got everything buttoned up. The king is awaiting his trip home. I'm just the chauffeur. So that's it. I didn't record much this morning. I didn't even make myself a breakfast. I just had a couple of protein bars and that's it. So I'm going to say what we usually say. Hope to see you in another one. And thanks for watching.